we're headed to Kodak, Tennessee. Woo woo! All the kids are piled in. We're rolling. See you soon. Hey y'all, we're at our first stop at Chick-fil-A getting dinner.
Totally overtaking Chick-fil-A.
Hey y'all, so we just made it to Christensen, Virginia. And it took like forever to find a hotel, but we finally found one, and it's 11 o'clock at night. So here's our little hotel. Here's those kids. And Bella. And Natalie. Well, see y'all tomorrow.
We're in Christiansburg, Virginia, getting ready to head down to Tennessee.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We're so excited.
We got to Tennessee and our place wasn't ready yet, so we're going to the flea market now. We've already bought a t-shirt per kid. It's been pretty cool so far.
They're both males.
They're both?
Yeah.
Can I hold one?
Can I hold one?
Do not touch.
Mom, feels so good though.
We're going to the rodeo!
In the mother four-wheeling. We're on the front side. It's going to get tight here in a minute. This one's a headhunter. That's the name of the one on the outside. Let's go.
So we just went to the Bates Church, and he's an awesome preacher. But we got to meet the Bates too, which was so awesome. It was a very good service. What do you guys think? It was awesome. Awesome.
Yep, awesome.
So
We got a really good message and we got to meet some of our favorite people. All right, bye.
Hi guys, today we're at a parrot place where we get to hold parrots. And look over there, we actually have some parrots right over there.
Look at these things.
It's called Parrot Mountain.
Parrot Mountain.
Don't pick the parrot.
Look how huge that thing is.
Well, we hope to see you on our next video. Bye!
Here we go, walking into Parrot Mountain.
I'm holding a bird today.
Are you scared?
Not really.
I love it.
Yeah, he feels like he's gonna fall.
All right, guys, we're about to go in there, and they're gonna drink the nectar from us.
Coming down to see.
Here we go.
We're in. Oh, look at Mom.
Look at this, guys.
Bella, just wants your drink.
Bella.
Come here, Bella. If you're too scared, just give now. Aiden dropped his drink.
Aiden dropped his drink.
Come on, Isabella. Are you too scared? You can drop your drink.
I'm fine. I'm just gonna no more bird.
Look at Dad.
They drink with their tongue.
Guys, this is awesome.
Look at Grandma now.
Oh, my soul, Mom, it's on my shoulder.
That's totally normal.
And I'm out of juice. There we
Now
go.
it's licking me, Mom.
It's okay. Just stand there.
Oh my gosh.
It's licking me. It's literally licking me. It's
What
okay.
about this?
It's licking me. Oh my gosh.
Oh my word.
Just stay here. Look, they're drinking from Papa. Guys, look at this. Okay, it's licking me. This is kind of weird.
Is that nectar?
Look at that. Oh my goodness.
She took my cup.
Nectar.
Guys, it's on my head. All right.